In this video I will show you how to make fake call. Firstly, you have to visit your Google Play Store and download the application. The application is very important. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. You'll go to the Play Store and download the application, the one I cycle now. After downloading the application and install it, after the installation, open the application and wait for a moment. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. This application is very important. When you want to take an excuse when you are doing something, this application will help you. You'll tell the people near you that somebody is calling you. After the application, opening the application, press go to allow and name. Put the name of your choice and phone number. Then go to set time and set the time that the call will come to your phone. Then wait for a 10 second. After 10 seconds the call will display. You see the call has been displayed. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. In the next video I will show you how to have image folder and application that nobody can see it except you.